I am putting 1 hematite, 2 carbon, coke, 3 limestone. Plus I am blowing hot air from both sides. Step 1, carbon reacts with oxygen. So this carbon here reacts with oxygen, gives me all the heat necessary for the upcoming steps, right? Number 2, the carbon reacts with carbon dioxide. So we made that carbon dioxide in the first step. Next, this carbon here gives me the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide now does what? This reacts with carbon itself and it gives me carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide now does the magic. That's the one's gonna reduce the iron oxide. Look what's gonna happen. So here I have that. Iron oxide, the hematite, reacts with carbon monoxide, gives me molten iron plus carbon dioxide. Right? The way we balance this is quite simple, only if you memorize it. You have to remember the way you balance it, because as you can see, balancing takes time. So learn or memorize how to balance this equation. So the way you do it is that you put 3 here. Okay, this gives you 3 carbons. You put another 3 here, so you now have 3 carbons. How many oxygens do I have on the left? Count. And right, 3 and 3, 6. How many oxygens do I have on the right side? 6, right? So now everything is balanced except for the iron. What am I gonna put before the Fe here? Put 2. So remember it, it's 3, 2, 3. You put 3, 2, 3 to make sure that the iron is 2, the carbon is 3 on both sides, and oxygen is 6. Now, this calcium carbonate, remember what happens to the limestone because of all the heat you have in the blast furnace? It decomposes. So this now becomes calcium oxide. What am I going to call this kind of decomposition with heat? Something breaks down under heat. We call this thermal, because of heat, decomposition. So calcium carbonate breaks down under heat, gives me this calcium oxide. This calcium oxide now does what? This reacts with silica, sand, the unwanted stuff. That's what I did a couple of minutes ago. You say calcium, silicon, and how many oxygens you have on the left side? This is your slag, the unwanted stuff. You did all of this because you wanted this molten iron. So last time, ingredients are coming at the top. So molten, the iron ore hematite, coke, carbon, then limestone. Now the heat from burning of coke is gonna start to give me that necessary heat for my first reaction. That's the time when I turn the carbon dioxide into carbon monoxide. Do you see what is dripping here? This is the molten iron. Now, who's gonna help to protect that molten iron? It's gonna be slag. So slag dumps on top of it, protects it from rusting. The bottom opening here is the one where I remove the molten iron, and the one on top is for slag. See what's coming out from the top? These are all the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, all waste gases come from the top. All right? So this was all about the extraction of iron. I'm gonna repeat this several times while I'm solving questions, but now tell me if you have anything you don't understand. Let's try this question. So slag is calcium silicate, CaSiO3. It is waste to start with. That's not the purpose of it, but it happens when it is like this. Look, it helps me to prevent oxygen from reacting with iron. Why did we add the limestone? Because limestone is the one that gives me calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is what made me get rid of this slag, right? So I'm gonna repeat this several times because it's important, but I'm gonna repeat it while I'm solving questions. So don't worry if you did not memorize it, because I'll be repeating it on the way. Carbon was added to reduce the iron oxide.